Hi there, and welcome back. What we're going to do is use L'Hopital's rule, as long as it applies, to evaluate a limit with an indeterminate form. So in this one, we're trying to find the limit as x approaches infinity of natural log of x divided by x. So remember, the two determinate forms we know so far are 0 over 0 and infinity over infinity, which just basically means if the numerator and denominator are both behaving the same way, we can apply L'Hopital's rule to try to evaluate the limit. So looking at the expression here, the natural log function does diverge off to infinity as x goes to infinity, and x itself goes to infinity. So that means L'Hopital's rule can be used to evaluate this limit. Now remember, L'Hopital's rule says that this is equivalent to the limit as x approaches infinity of the derivative of the numerator over the derivative of the denominator. And if we simplify this, we have the limit as x approaches infinity of 1 over x, and as x gets large, that's a denominator, we know that this limit is 0. So the conclusion is the limit as x approaches infinity of natural log x over x is equal to 0 by L'Hopital's rule.